We're down on the Chesapeake Bay. It's about 4:50. We're getting ready to take off and do some striper fishing today. Hopefully we make out pretty good. It's nice, it's windy out. Hopefully nobody with us gets sick or anything. Come on, bud. Get it. Get it, bud.
I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it? Come on, you
got it.
You got it, bud. Get it.
It's like, this is hard work.
Oh, you got it. Come on.
Buddy.
Come on, get it, Ethan.
I don't want to do it.
You got it.
Yeah, he's still on there.
No, you do it.
You. All right.
Come on,
That's so hard. That's the big one. I think he's a big one. Oh, he's a big one.
Oh, it's wrapped over that line.
Oh, do we get to keep it?
Nope.
Got another one over here. No, that's up in this line.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out, he'll offend you.
Watch it, buddy. Don't pick him up. Not like
What kind of fish is he?
That's a striper. Can you like hold them like regular bass, like largemouths? Like in the mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure or not.
Look at that. He's the biggest fish you ever caught and put it back in the water.
Jade? Ooh, that's a nice one.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
Is that a keeper?
Oh, yeah. It means something.
Let's go grab him.
Dinner. Yeah.
Grab him, Jade.
Wait, they have sharp things on them, so.
Well, you can hold him like a regular bass.
I don't want to
Take
do
off the
it.
hook for you, and then, but you don't want to mess with him now. No.
Oh, okay.
Watch how they do it.
Oh, okay.
And they have special things.
Okay, that's a striped bass. Yeah.
Ask him if he can hold him. You get a picture with you. Do I just grab his mouth?
Yeah, it's just like a bass.
Like a regular bass, like you hold him.
They got a little more teeth
Teeth,
than a regular bass. I mean, not big.
Oh.
You gotta
Oh, that's a nice fish there.
He does, you might know.
Stick your hand back here
Okay.
and just wind him along easy, because that's a nice one.
Okay.
And we got it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, walk over this way, son. That's it. I don't know whether he's over top of them or not yet, though. Yeah, that fish is way the hell out there. He'll probably come back here across that way. And you'll have to walk back like that.
Oh.
It's so easy with him. That's it.
Doug.
Ethan, mine's right there. They're about the same size.
Are we gonna put that one?
Yep, we're from.
And that one?
Nice cat. Like a Captain Bob.
I want to have fish and crab.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I was hoping it was. I was hoping so.
Got it?
Oh yeah. Jade's got one. They pull and drag real good.
Feel. That was a big one. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
As long as it's not bigger than one I caught, James.
I don't think it is.
Here, wait.
Oh man!
Go that way.
She might have you beat, Kenny.
I hope so.
I don't think so.
Walk over here and you walk underneath her.
Then you need a bigger spot to walk underneath.
When something hit that one right there on the left. Oh, what? There,
Yeah, there it goes.
What?
Get back.
Oh, that's a little one. Oh man.
Doubled up on this one. Jade's got one, and Lynn's got one on right now.
That beautiful fish I want to
Oh,
I want to throw it in the water back.
nice one.
Is that cheaper or?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a 24-inch fish.
I don't need one with that.
We ought to check the tap so he knows what he's talking
No,
about.
my other one was bigger.
He measures every one of them. It's 24 inches.
Okay.
And right
If the
down.
mate says it's 24, I'll
Uh-oh.
agree, but not the captain.
Then leave him in the water. Leave him in the water. Slide him swim around.
Oh, little.
Uh, 26.
Doubled up on that one.
Hi, B. All right.
Nice
All
fish.
right, Liz.
Where are you going to take some fish to?
And give them a good work, will ya?
He's on show right now.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Ethan, watch out.
Little baby.
Yeah, it is.
Swallowed it.
Yeah.
That's big enough. rope trying to keep you full.
21 and a quarter. 21 and a quarter. Wow, isn't it?
Dad's got one hooked up. Oh, sorry.
No, you're wrong. I can see it from this angle.
That is, yeah, I'm under that one.
Oh man.
Well, of course.
Somebody's got to get there on.
Watch your head there,
Look
buddy.
out.
Yep.
All right.
Dad, that's the little guy.
Yeah, you're right.
There's 22, 23.
Jeez.
Now that's wishful thinking.
And your fingernails are blue.
Oh, this one here is something fighting on it. It just was.
Who's got our next grab a hold of it?
That would be.
Okay.
Kenny.
Oh, let's
Oh,
eat
yeah.
real good.
No, I don't want to.
Ethan's got one on.
Come on, Ethan. I'm counting on you, buddy.
What? Yeah. Come on, Ethan, you got it. Get it, Jade. Set the hook. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Doubled up.
Nice one there.
There you go.
Yeah, step around the Jade. Step around. There you go. That's a nice one. Ethan's got one on. Jade's got one on. Jade's got a nice one.
You filming it?
Oh yeah. Yep. Come on, Jade, put some muscle behind it. Oh, nice job, Ethan.
Nice. Don't lose her, Jade. Don't lose her.
Nice job, Ethan.
Oh, baby.
That is a baby.
You got it, Jade. Yeah, just don't rush it. Oh yeah. You stay right over there.
Come on, Jade, you got it.
Come on, Jade. Put some muscle into it. I know, she's grunting and groaning. Come on, Jade.
I'm going! Jeez! Honestly!
Oh! Oh my! Oh! Woo! Oh!
Oh!
Woo! Oh my!
Oh, oh
Oh
man!
wow!
Oh wow! Whoa!
Holy cow!
Dying!
Biggest one so far.
I do not sing. No one can let that
Gotta
sing.
get it. Where's my phone?
Get mine
Can I
out
have
of the
my
box.
phone? Where's my phone?
Yeah.
Please give it to me. I don't want a phone on it.
Hey, Jade.
That's a big one.
Oh man, now my arms are
Hey,
like,
just turn that handle on that reel.
I know we're
Rock
keeping
it on
that one.
Yeah.
Oh!
Watch this, Ethan.
Oh!
They put the hurt on it, didn't they?
Man.
Right there, because behind you.
Nice fish, Jade.
That looks really big.
Ooh. It's about 8:30 and we caught our limit of the fish. So we're headed back into shore.